Baby, you know, I got the flow, I got the dough. Timeless. Wine fast now, wine fast now,
Hey,
wine fast now.
what's up, guys? This your boy Dagger876. How y'all doing? Just help your brother out, man. With a like, a subscribe, and give me some feedback. You know what I mean? Well, I'm about to react to as you see in the title, I just nutted. I saw this shit on Instagram, and I was dying, man. So I'm gonna see the whole fucking official video. I'm gonna see what the fuck this weird shit is about. Alright, here we go.
I'm so over it. Humpbakk chump. Shit, I'll even take your bitchy moves.
Humpbakk chump.
Humpbakk chump.
Bitchy.
Baby, I'm with you.
What? What the fuck?
You and your bitch.
I ain't gonna say nothing. Play the video.
Oh, damn. Shawty got an attitude.
Yo, fuck that. Yo. Is that a fucking dyke, man? Like, yo, man, I'm not a mean person, man, but you look fucking weird. Whatever, man. Let's watch the video.
You and your bitchy moves. I like to fuck. I like to rub. I make you just nut a slap on your butt.
I'm so damn confused.
Okay.
Damn, I just nutted. Your tongue on my clit. Damn, that shit hit. You're making me drip. What? Damn, I just nutted. Put my hand around the throat. She choke. She got.
Yo. Okay. Alright, okay.
Attitude on swole. Deliver that dick on go. Bitch, you got a bitchy attitude. Oh no. Spread them legs and get in the bed. Get her all up in the bed. Pull a shorty to the headboard. On some naked shit, ain't that some shit? Woo. Bitchy attitude, home go. I give her that dick, she gone moan.
Give her that whatever, let's go.
Then I give her this time, make her fucking run. And baby talking all the shit, baby shut up. Yeah, you got an attitude, choke you up. Put your legs by the bed, let me beat it up. Yeah, don't fuck with a lame nigga. Huh, bitchy attitude, tame nigga. Baby, I'm with you. You and your bitchy moves. Oh, damn, shawty got an attitude. You and your bitchy moves. I like to fuck, I like to rub. I make you just nut a slap on your butt. Damn, I just nutted. Your tongue on my clit. Damn, that shit hit. You're making me drip. Damn, I just nutted. I just nutted. She just nutted. I fucked her in the bathroom, going to public. What you talking about? I'm eating it out. Yeah, I hit the pussy, I ain't from the south. Yeah, I'ma get it down, get it wet. Licking the pussy all in the guts and that shit. Ooh, I ain't got a real dick though, but I got a strap in it. Give it.
Yo. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, alright.
That D-Do, yeah, hit the flow. She hit the flow. She made a moan. I made her groan. I was growing too. It was really crazy. I guarded the bit, cause I'm real coming through the shit. It's a freestyle at the end of the bitch. What you gonna do, baby?
Hey, yo. And you got dudes in the background sitting there, like, enabling this bullshit. Look at that fuck. Look at that shit right there. What is that? Look at the chain in the back. That shit look like ass. Like like a chick with a fatty on her back. She have the nerve to be in a sports bra. Damn, son.
I'm with you, even with the bitchy attitude, I'ma get it, boo. Baby, I'm with you. Baby, I'm with you.
That nigga in the chair need his ass beat. Why the fuck would you be in that video, man? Yo.
You and your bitch, you move. Man, fuck that. Oh, damn, shawty got an attitude. Get rid of that ugly attitude. You and your bitch, you move. Yeah. I like to fuck. I like to rub. Make you just nut or slap on your butt. Damn, I just nutted. Your tongue on my clit. Damn, that shit hit. You're making me drip. Damn, I just nutted. Baby, I'm with you. Baby, I'm with you. You and your bitch, you move. Man, fuck that. Oh, damn, shawty got an attitude. Get rid of that ugly attitude. You and your bitch, you move. Yeah.
Yo, fuck that shit. I'm out. Nah, cut that shit. What the fuck, man? Yo, man, come on. Well, do you, mommy? Teach his own. Well, mommy, man, woman. I don't know what the fuck to call you, but. Well, guys, that's it. He reacting to. I just nutted, so. That's it for my reaction. It's fucking crazy. Well, give your boy a like, a subscribe, share. Give me a feedback what y'all think.